This is more for the high folk. But the real question is, who puts a sewer right next to the hot tub? Can I get a hot tub? But before we start this shit show, you got a home? Bless them. Yes, sir. Get out this mud hole. 4. Must be nice. What is it? Tuesday? Well, I'm over here working on a shit tank. These motherfuckers paying around to golf in the middle of the day. They ain't got jobs.
Boy, look good on that help digging finally.
Man, you slick there. This motherfucker.
He asked him that question, and all I did was shrug my shoulders, and this is what I got.
Answer me.
I don't know.
I whip your ass.
You want me to just come up an inch?
Yeah, come up an inch.
I know you know what an inch is. Boom, roast it. Sometimes they don't want to go. You gotta give them a little boot. Want me to catch me some of that?
I got it all, huh?
You ain't got nothing.
Dude gets out his air-conditioned tracker one time to work a shovel, thinks he's something.
You see this guy right here?
He's a bad.
That might be one of the biggest homos I ever met.
Boom, roasted again.
We go, dumb question, we're gonna go under it, I'm guessing.
No, we'll go.
See, I knew it. I knew I should have said nothing.
My phone died before we finished, but enjoy this picture of me and my dad looking badass while sucking some shit out of a shit tank with a dog.